of chicken soup, cream of celery soup, about 6 ounces of frozen whole kernel corn, seasoning, and 3 chicken tenderloins that I cooked in the air fryer and just cut up and mixed it all together. Now we're fixing to cover with the crescent rolls. So we're going to take crescent rolls instead of what is that beeping? Did you hear that?
Mm-mm.
I heard something beeping, y'all. I don't know.
No, I don't think so.
I swear I heard something beep.
I think you just got raspy.
Maybe so. Don't really know what was going on. Hey, Miss Linda. Hey, Denise. Don't get upset. Just chill. I know. I just can't believe I did that, y'all. All right, so I don't really care what gets on these, y'all. Oh, because I have to. We're not tearing them apart. So if they get chicken colored on them, they get chicken colored. You don't hear that beeping? Is there somebody outside?
No, I don't hear a beeping.
I can hear a beep. It's coming apart, y'all. So I'm going to lay it up here where I cut the chicken. It's all good. We'll lay the chicken part down.
Hold on, let me zoom back out.
Because these are coming apart. Not like I wanted them to. So let's see if we can get them to. And now I'm going to just bring them together. And we got 2 cans because 1 can ain't going to be enough. So we're really fixing to cover it up good. So just scrunch it up and make sure that you cover. You can use a fork if you want to. Whatever. Just bring everything together. Because now we got to fill this side up. Where's my little thing? Where my little thing went? There it is. Now remember, you basically you're baking this long enough to just. Oh, I got stuff on my hands, y'all. Oh, till the crescent rolls get ready. Everything's gonna be ready as soon as the crescent rolls are ready. Y'all, I ain't never seen crescent rolls come apart like this. What in the world? Some cheap crescent rolls, y'all. Just,
What's this little thing
just saying.
flashing here?
What's flashing?
I don't know.
Where? On the computer. They're supposed to do that.
Huh?
It's supposed to do that.
Oh, okay.
Have y'all ever in your life? Buy you some better crescent rolls.
Well, I'm sorry.
Jeez. I ain't never, y'all. Never.
Maybe we should have frozen them.
Froze them? Nobody want no frozen crescent rolls. Look at that. You couldn't have made a crescent roll out of that, y'all, to save your life. So if you're having a bad day, just keep on going. Keep on.
Yes.
Keep on going.
Definitely.
And just tell yourself it's going to be better. Am I in the way? Tell me if I'm in the way now.
Yeah.
So as long as everybody can see. And I'm going to use every bit of this. I don't care what it looks like. I can't put it up. So we're going to, some places will be a little thicker than others. And we'll have 2 cans. Like 2 cans, Sam. Just like so. It'll look just fine once you get through baking it. Now at this point, if you wanted to sprinkle a little bit of seasoning, like some garlic-based seasoning, on your crescent rolls. This is my blend of my garlic, onion, a little salt, and a little black pepper. Y'all know my little blend. So we're gonna sprinkle on top. And in the oven, we're gonna go for about 20 minutes. 400 degrees. About 20 minutes until it gets nice and golden brown. Everything's bubbly.
They're gonna start barking.
Nice and bubbly.
Come on, girls.
Somebody's here?
Come here. Yeah.
Who?
Come here. Tracy's friends.
Oh, and that's it, y'all. That is it. It's super good. Are they coming in or?
I don't know.
Oh, super quick.
Let me zoom back out.
I will take some pictures. I don't think everybody's going to have 20 minutes to stay around. And it'll just be golden brown, just like some Crescent Rolls on the top. Be bubbly. It'll be good, y'all. Super good. So, what y'all doing, fellas?
How you doing?
Good. Chase got some friends coming to pick him up. They're going to go hang out, do some stuff before he has to go back to work. So, but that's going to be it for today, y'all. I hope you enjoy it. Go check out the Facebook page. I will post pictures. I will make a reel for the YouTube page that will link it back to this video with the finished one pan green bean cobbler casserole, green bean and corn and chicken, whatever you want to call it. And I think your family will like it. So I hope you give it a try. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, give us a share, and give us a subscribe to the With the Bickhams channel. We'd appreciate it. It helps us grow. And thank y'all very much for coming to hang out with us and watching. We'll see y'all on the next video. Bye, y'all. Melissa got to stop the live over there, y'all. And then I can always go cut the end off.